decided to stop filming and stop it there because
I put by mistake more. Estonia was second number.
really? Oh,
Yeah.
because he's famous.
Yeah.
He goes to this
Everybody was singing this
fashion
song.
macchiato. Thank you, Bobs. What do you think? Is that a similar area? But randomly the small ones as well. No macchiato. Put these straps for your right. I think you need more this thing. Okay, put the cameras here. What floor is this? 3.
Yeah.
So then order me back in here, okay? Wait, I need to push it. You can be somewhere here. Basically, you have to... I don't know where you have to be. Wait a minute. We're stuck on the elevator. Oh wait, we can open the doors. Oh, it's just stand here now. That's it. Okay.
This is line house.
This. So you skip it as well. Ready? Oh no, red one is coming, alright. Okay. Yeah, then it's not coming.
Fine, right?
Perfect.
That's fine.
Anyway, how is
So are you in the middle?
Yeah. Should I go backwards? Yeah. Or is it too dark?
This is the sun, Papa.
But hold it.
Supposed to take it, but at the moment he changes.
Okay, almost done. So now we have to go next location. Bank is done, jumps are done. And what else?
Running across the Waterloo Bridge nearly done. London Eye is okay. Covent Garden.
Covent Garden. Well, I think we should catch these.
Stop now.
No way. So in this point we decided to finish filming because we felt like somebody put the bad eye on us because things started to happen, like strange things. So yeah. Gosh. Oh, right. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. Got home. The shoot went like alright, but in one point we just decided to stop filming and stop it there because some good shots, it's just not working out as we would like to or we would prefer it. And there's nothing wrong with that. I absolutely love it. I adore him. We still getting along. Sorry, I need to go. Even though I had the best camera to do it, and I was really trying to do it on my side through my phone, it just did not work out. So I really need to ask, like, I need to start collaborating really with the creatives and find them where they are in London and just like go for it, because I have like so many ideas, but there's a certain point where you can't do everything by yourself. You need like some other people, some other ideas, brainstorm. And I love to be creative, but I still yet have to find the right people to do it with, which is a bummer because like it's 9 o'clock now. I left uni earlier to do it. It was nice weather. He also took the time to do it. So I'm just gonna take this all out. I was getting ready and it's just like such a bummer because the time is going and I don't want to lose the wave of this video idea what I have. So I don't know if I'm gonna post that, but I really want to post it because I'm really enjoying the song and I just had such a vision with that. But it's like to have right people to do it in the central, because I'm not clearly doing it myself and I leave my cameras and equipment in the central London on the tripod while I'm like trying to do those shots. Like we just went to McDonald's and we had a little bit to eat, chill out and just like calm down, because you know, like creative people who are not creative, they just don't get it how it works and they don't see inside my mind, and it's really hard to, like, I had all the brief out. I sent like few videos which inspired me to do that vision what I want to do, and he didn't even watch it. So if you haven't watched it, I don't want to say anything bad, but if you haven't watched it, so how you are going to help me to film it if you do not get the brief, what I'm trying to get out of this, and you just like different. And I don't want to put something random out as well. I want to really get somewhere with my content. And also I want to kind of like promote this song because I think it's so good. And I'm really like a child from MTV times. I used to love watching MTV videos and just like getting inspired by the videos, the visuals, the clothes, everything. And it's something what I want to bring to my content and start incorporating music and all that. Yeah, long hair. All that, you know, like into my creations. So I needed to cool down and I went to Loccitane. I literally went to Loccitane in Westfield and I got something because I mentioned in my last video that I was doing the excessive bathing routine, but this was missing from my routine because I have like normal, sometimes dry skin, and because I'm like in the sun quite a lot in my garden. Oh, it's so good when you take extensions off. But look how nice is my blow dry. I literally did the best blow dry yesterday, and I colored my roots and everything. This one is just a toner, it's just looking darker, but when I go in to wash it, and I think I need to cut my fringe a tiny bit more. My mom got it for me, but I think I need a tiny bit lighten it up so it will hold like this. I'm doing really excessive one, and I made my own Chanel almond body oil, which I'm using straight after shower. I don't even use towel, I'm just like lathering on the wet skin. But also I was kind of going through with chat GPT, the AI, to kind of like figure out, because I really love Chanel number 5. Chanel number 5 and me, we're like besties, we're like this, and forever and ever, and it's been like almost 10 years I've been like Chanel number 5 girl. Everybody knows that in my family, at least my friends, they know that, my ex knew that. So I really wanted to like lather up the products, and because Chanel doesn't have the body oil, and I'm going to totally off the topic. Oh, that smells so nice. True rabbit hole, getting all the details down. What soap I should use, what shower gel I should use, what soap bar I should use, what oils, how to make my own, and like I'm going fully like deep dive into Chanel number 5. So I do have Chanel number 5 the spray. Let me just bring it quick. This is what I'm using. I'm using this. This is like a deodorant. I love this. And then I have this. This is like a refill. This came out when they did the little pop-up. I still have it. Like I mean, I should use it up, but I'm just been using it really gently and only special occasions. But actually, I should like lather myself up in this. And also with this, the Nivea Original Cream goes so well. Just the scent is complimentary. And also, I was trying to figure out if I should do anything with like shower oils, because I came across, so I literally got the biggest refill of Loccitane, and this is their almond pump bottles. I don't like plastic in my house, and also this, when I'm going to put it to the actual pump bottle, I can bring back, you guys can bring back the plastic, their own shop, and you will get like extra discount on your order. So I'm going to use that. But this smells so good. There's so many ways you can use that. Divine. It's like so nice. And it actually lathers up with all of these, and with my perfume, and with my body oil, what I made so well. As I mentioned a few videos back, I'm really building up my bathing routine, or whatever it is. So that's what I've been doing. And this scent just lingers on your skin like I'm lotion like that. You can make these all at home. You can just like search it up. If you want to, I can make separate video. I don't know if you're interested or not. Let me know in the comments. I can do that. But yeah, basically I'm making my own, because Chanel doesn't have their own body oil. It was only when the Factory 5 came out. I have like old video about this in Chanel pop-up in Selfridges. You can check out this video if you're interested. I do dry brushing. Oh, I think I have to make a separate video about this, but I literally just went there because I needed to just chill out after this rendezvous running around in Central and trying to make it work. But unfortunately, sometimes you have to just take the time, stop what you're doing, and just see if it's worth it or not. So we both saw that it's not worth it, so we stopped. I did have like cool some of the pictures and stuff, at least I got something out of it. But in general, if you want to do creative stuff, you should find the creative people and not bother your boyfriends, husbands, uncles, grandpas, if they really, when they're not really visionary people and they're not really like artsy in a way, they're just not gonna get it. It's just like some people are just number people and some people are artistic people. I mean, it could be mixed, but honestly, but yeah, I'm really stressing about this because I really had a good idea about this. So I hope, fingers crossed, that I can make it. So I still put out this little vlog because it was a day to day, so like why not? But yeah, anyways. Yeah, daddy long legs. didn't have this in his bones, but it's alright. It's totally okay. But I love that he tried and we tried to make it work, but clearly. Anyways, so this was my day today. If you are so kind, and I noticed like in my last video, guys really started to subscribe my channel, leave some comments, likes, and I really appreciate that. Like this really gives me like motivation to make more videos. And same like last time, if you're watching the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and let the YouTube know that you love this, that you love my videos and you enjoy what I'm putting out there, and we can grow together, we can discuss things together. Sometimes they are annoying, sometimes they're lovely, sometimes it's just this life, and that's about it. But yeah, I do need to cut this. Anyways, I love you lots. I'm going to bed because I'm going to work 8:30 tomorrow morning, and it's already like 10 o'clock. And yes, I'm having this American style clock on my phone, so it's 10 p.m. not a.m. So I just love it, makes life so much easier. I'm so used to with this, and I enjoy it more. Less numbers until 12. I think that's about it. I love you guys, and I hope you like get some ideas from here, or like think about something. Let me know in the comments if you have tried anything what I showed you. If you share with you my actual routine, I can do that, because I'm still like building it slowly, but it's been starting to work great because my skin is like a baby skin. It's like so smooth, so glowy, and I don't do much with that. And I mean, I do quite a lot, but I mean, it's quite fabulous. If you want to know, leave it down below, and I see you next time. Oh, where you went? Excuse me. Oh, this camera is going crazy today. Anyways, bye guys. Love you. Wait, I want to do the heart. White hearts. Bye guys.